This is not a how-to video. This video will provide some useful information regarding outside door handles for the 1992 through 2005 Chevy Astro and GMC Safari. The most common replacement is made by doorman, 77193 for the driver's side, 77192 for the passenger side. It's a great alternative to the expensive OEM piece. A GM genuine door handle can easily cost about $100. These are about 25 each, but they have one major weakness. The rod clip is made of weak, flimsy plastic. Pure garbage. It does not hold the metal rod in place. The OEM has this solid, hard plastic piece. Here's a solid OEM piece made of hard plastic. Excellent design. Compared to the flimsy, soft plastic piece that comes with the doorman door handle. The metal rod easily slips out of it. The solution is to buy the Doorman 7450 rod clip assortment. In it, you'll find the solid OEM style rod clip. Use that one instead and the Doorman door handle becomes a great replacement. In case you lose the door handle nuts in the abyss of the door interior, the Doorman 9820060 4-pack has your back. As for the job itself, Astro Ontario has an okay video on the repair. I recommend using a non-flex 10mm ratcheting box and wrench for the top nut. The user Smoking Boots Q had a great comment. It says, "The top nut can only be put on with nimble fingers." Yup, it's one of the most painful, frustrating door handles to install ever. Yup, I agree with that comment. By the way, this was not a commercial for Doorman. I mean, they made all the parts for this. But once again, this is not sponsored by Doorman. And that's all the pertinent info on Astro Safari front outside door handles for today. Have a good day.